Anyway, so hello, this is Glenn back with some new coins and banknotes, and here they are. There's that, and there is that. Yeah, just throw them everywhere. Don't worry, my table's a mess. Look at all these coins. Sorting out my German coins, Montenegro. Got some new South American coins. Made a video, and see, I have been trying to categorize. So we got these hand Hello coins. I got two of them. Didn't even know I purchased the second one. Then we've got the Euro coin, the German. So that's basically what I've been doing apart from working. Also selling coins, noodling. Got some other side. So this side is the coins I'm going to put on the market. So this is that side. This side is my collection. I'm definitely not selling the Montenegrin or the German coins. Less off Swaziland. Anyway, so beautiful coins. I like coin collecting, and some things I just don't want to sell. But I brought this off Tasmanian Numismatics, and you put a letter in. Thank you once again for getting my coins. I run 2 stores, so if you ever want to go to Tasmanian Numismatics or UMass, so I haven't brought off your second store. I've seen your videos and they are quite entertaining. Wish more people were watching. Yeah, so do I, but you know, it is what it is. Basically, if you want to make your channel popular on YouTube, you need to make it about how people can make a lot of money on coins. That's basically the only thing. Yeah, I'm not really into that, so my channel's probably not going to take off. And you see the big channels, it's just how to become rich by coins. That's basically it. That's with any other finance channel. It's basically how to become rich. So here's Tasmanian Numismatics. Here's some items that he's got. He's got French Colonial. That'll probably be good value, especially the 1843 10 cent. It's got other lots. So Tongan coins, $25. I'll look into that. So check out his site, and $15 for $10 face value. So that looks, you could probably get more money out of that. Anyway, if you want to build a collection, start with him. He has some good items. And yes, my hands are a bit dirty because I play with dirt and rocks all day. Okay, so I've put my scissors somewhere. It's like my brain has just disappeared. Cut. Oh my god, and I've got coins that are just falling all over the floor. Okay, so this is definitely not a way to keep a collection, especially when you have too many coins. And let's have a look what I got. So I can see I've got some Hong Kong coins, and looks like Ceylon, Sri Lanka. So these are all pretty much low mint, and I like these vacuum packed. So if you look at the Sri Lankan coins, we have a 50 cent from 1928. Can't remember the metal contents, like 60 or 80%. They're all low mint coins. And then we have some 10 cent coins. These are quite small. So here's a 1907. Usually mintage for these is less than $1 million. But they're not that popular. 1912. So if you notice, well, they're not that popular because people in Sri Lanka are pretty poverty stricken, and they're going through the worst economic crisis they have in like 30 or 40 years at the moment. So really, Sri Lankans are not buying coins. 1900. And really, the government now has no money to pay for it. functioning. So that country is pretty much turned into a basket case, which is a bit sad. They're really nice people. I think his name, president's name, Rajan Sampaka, pretty corrupt. I'm not surprised they run out of money. Too busy lining their own pockets. So here we have Hong Kong. And this is opposite of Hong Kong. Hong Kong had plenty of money to run. I think they've given the people like 10,000 Hong Kong dollars recently. 10,000? No, I think it's 5,000. Oh, wait. No, it is 10,000. That's right, because my mother-in-law has got $30,000 to play with. She got herself, she got her husband, and she got her sons. Which is pretty good. But she'll just spend it on the family. Okay, 50-cent coins. So these have been demonetized. First year, 1951. So they're just copper nickel coins. Then we have, so those ones probably worth about $1 or $2 each. So here we have the nickel 10-cent coins from before the Second World War. 1937, 38, these are probably worth about $5 each. 5 to 10. Oh no, it's scratched. Yeah, I quite like them. And then we have, here we have these silver coins, so 1899. So these are, means you're probably about 250, 2 million, something like that, 250,000. 1899. So these are coin rotation, 1900. Also coin rotation, another 1900. 1899. I can't remember the mintage of these, but these are probably worth about $10 each. In this grade, this one, 1888, is probably worth about $15 in this grade. This will be one of the lower mints in the 1880s. So, they're 10-cent coins. The most valuable one of this lot is this 1 mil coin. This is probably EF, I would say. This is worth about $50 to $60 itself. Mintage, 1866 is about 20 million. Could be 40 million. Don't remember mintage figures that much. Look at all the coins. I don't remember the mintage figures. Are these ones or these ones? Tongan coins? Or these? Oh, these Javanese coins didn't have any mintage figures. Neither did these Wangman coins. But, you know, there's too many coins. You just can't remember the mintage figures. Okay, then we've got banknotes. So, first one is a current Singapore $2 banknote. So you're probably just better off spending that in Singapore. Actually, no, it's a paper one, so it's a previous series. They issue polymer ones now, as well as the $5 and the $10. So I'm not too sure if I've got that in the collection, but it's quite nice. This one has, what's his name? Who's this guy? It's got his name down there, but it's a bit up. There you go. Joseph bin Ishak, the first Prime Minister or President of Singapore, should I say. Okay, then we had Brunei, $1. That is 1988. Or in Malay, it's Satu Ringgit. We have the head of state. Oh, I've got two of them. So these are probably worth about $5 to $10 each. So A3738, so 3738 million. Then we got the a banknote of the 90s, 1 ringgit from Malaysia. Yeah, this one's pretty much on Seeker, probably worth $5 to $10. That one I'll probably keep. This one's a little bit dirty, but seems to be in high grades, probably up to $5. And we have 2 Thai banknotes, a 10 and 20 baht. So these are probably from the 1970s and 80s. You can see that they're the same series. Because got the Garuda there, you got the watermark, got Rama, the ninth. Different portrait, facing the same way. And you've got the denomination and that as well. And on the back, you've got the king doing various things. So these two, this is probably worth about $5 to $10. This one's probably worth about, same $5 to $10. That I need to look up. But I'm going to keep this one. I think I've got the 10 ringgit already. Anyway, that's my latest pickups. So I need to sort them out and find out which ones to keep and which ones to resell. Thank you very much. Hope this helps you with your banknote collecting and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Just remember, don't eat plastic, alright? Plastic's in your body already, microplastics. So, you don't need to eat any more of it.